Alright, Supreme week 18. These are my rest of my tees that came in. So let's take a look at what I got. Nice. I got another motion logo and a lizard. But I do want the other stickers, the social security. I haven't got that yet. Here it is, the social tee in pale mint. One of my favorite tees. Social security cards is Supreme. Never mind the effing bullshit. Politics as usual, out of order. Nice colorway. The medium social tee. And this one is the Anno Domini tee. Just says Supreme. Spring Summer 2020. Nice little spring color. Pick this up in the light blue. Take it out. Next one, the marble tee. Also in the pale mint. Nice colorway. There's this. There's that. Rest of my tees came. So yeah, subscribe. More videos coming in. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.